Once again, very warm good morning, students. In our last class, we have studied the use of participle, and in which I have told you the use of conjunctions and interjections. Today, we are going to study some more part of speech, and that is determiners. Determiners, the first one is article. You know what is meant by determiners. So the word that determines a noun or pronoun in a sentence, that are called determiners. Now, determiners are of two types. The first one is articles and the other one is other type of determiners. Now, in category of articles, we have two types of articles. The first one is indefinite article and the second one is definite article. In indefinite category of article, we put a and n, and in the definite category of article, we put the. Now we are going to study how they are used in a sentence. See, first of all, we are going to study about the use of a and n, and in which first of all we are having a look on the use of a. See, a is used before a singular countable noun that starts with consonant and gives the sound of a consonant. Now you have seen many words that starts with consonant and they are singular countable noun. If they have the same sound of a consonant, then we are obliged to use a before them. For example, book means a book. Now soldier, a soldier. Now see the second rule of a. A is used before a singular countable noun that starts with a vowel but gives the sound of a consonant. You might have seen different type of words that start with vowel but give the sound of a consonant. For example, university. It starts with a vowel u but gives the sound of y. In the same way, European. It starts with a vowel e but gives the sound of y. So we have to use a before these words. Now see the third use of a. A is used before an adjective that starts with the sound of a consonant. Means if there is an adjective in a sentence and if it starts with the sound of a consonant, we have to apply a before it. For example, see, the first one is Priya is blank beautiful girl. So here beautiful is an adjective and it starts with the sound of a consonant. That's why we have to apply a here. Now in second, Rahul is blank good boy. Here good is an adjective and it gives the sound of consonant. That's why we will have to apply a here. Now see the use for the use of a. A is used after many when there is a singular countable noun after many which gives the sound of a consonant. Now you can see many sentences start with many, and if there is a blank and there is a singular countable noun giving the sound of a consonant, you will have to apply a here. For example, see, many blank book are available on this subject. Now we are going to study about the use of n. N is used before a singular noun starting with a vowel and giving the same sound. For example, an elephant, an umbrella. Now, in the same way, some another use of N. N is used before a singular noun starts with a consonant but giving the sound of a vowel. Means the word that is starting with a consonant but giving the sound of a vowel. So we will have to apply N before it. For example, an hour, an honorable person. In the same way, see the third rule. A is used before an adjective that starts with the sound of a vowel. If there is an adjective in the sentence and giving the sound of a vowel, we will have to apply N. For example, Ravi is an intelligent boy, you are an honest man, etc. And the last one, N is used after many when there is a singular noun after many giving the sound of a vowel. For example, many blank accident occur happen nowadays. So, in the same way, we will have to apply all the use of A and N. I think you might have studied, you might have got what I want to teach you. Okay, thank you.